One sunny day, in a dense jungle far away, lived a curious creature named Mandrill. He was not like the other animals, for he had a face full of colorful patches. Mandrill was known as the Marvelous Mandrill, and all the animals in the jungle loved to listen to his stories. But Mandrill was lonely, for he had no one to share his own adventures. One day, Mandrill decided to embark on a journey to find friends. He packed his bag with fruits, nuts, and a map he'd made himself. He was excited but also a bit nervous. As he ventured deeper into the jungle, he met many interesting animals. There was a wise old tortoise who shared his wisdom, a playful monkey who showed him how to swing from tree to tree, and even a grumpy old crocodile who became his friend. One day, Mandrill came across a river that was too wide to cross. He was worried, but then he remembered the wise words of the tortoise. "Never give up, Mandrill. There is always a way." Mandrill looked around and saw a long, sturdy vine hanging from a tree. With a deep breath, he climbed up and swung across the river. It was scary, but he did it. As he continued his journey, he met many more wonderful animals. He learned about the beauty of the jungle and the importance of friendship. Finally, Mandrill returned home, not just as the Marvelous Mandrill, but as a friend to all. And every night, the animals of the jungle gathered around as Mandrill shared his incredible adventures. From that day on, Mandrill was never lonely again. He had found his friends, and the jungle was a much happier place because of it. The end.